बेटे की ये जुबान है मुझसे दूर मिलो दूर, पर ये दिल है कि चख रहा है उन्हीं अल्फाजों का नूर नूर और नूर नूर और
दूर कितना भी जा, इस जुबान से दूर ना जा पाओगे। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Punjab's political arena is witnessing a new kind of politics. This time, the politicians who aspire to be the member of parliament are from the jails. It all started with Amritpal Singh, the chief of Waris Punjab Day, who was arrested and put behind the bars by the government under the National Security Act. He decided to contest from the Panthak seat Khandur Sahib, and then his family announced the same. Now the other name that has surfaced is Sandeep Singh Sunny, the man who has killed the Shiv Sena leader Sudhir Suri in Amritsar in a broad daylight in the month of November 2022 when he was holding a dharna pradarshan. It all was done in the presence of a large number of policemen that were there, but he fired at Sandeep Suri, after which he succumbed to his injuries. Now it has been decided by some of the groups that Sandeep Singh Sunny, who is in jail, will be contesting from the Amritsar Lok Sabha seat. Amritsar Lok Sabha seat is considered as a stronghold of the Congress party. The Congress has sitting MP from that very constituency, that is Gurjeet Singh Ojla, and he will be contesting again. Coming to the other big party is the Shiromani Akali Dal that has fielded Anil Joshi from the same constituency. Anil Joshi is a former BJP leader and he has a good hold in the same constituency. While Kuldeep Dhaliwal is the candidate of the Aam Aadmi Party, the Bharatiya Janata Party, which for the first time has decided that it will be contesting on all the seats in Punjab, has fielded former IFS officer and Indian ambassador to the United States, Taranjeet Singh Sandhu from the same constituency. Now coming to Sandeep Singh Sunny, he is being supported by many of the Panthak organizations, the organizations that are always against the ideology what the Sudhir Suri was following. That is, and also there have been posters that have been put in place saying that the Panthak Jathebandis have decided that Sandeep Singh Sunny, who is presently behind the bars at a central jail in Punjab, will be their candidate. Now the nominations will be filed from the May 7th to the May 14th, wherein not only Amritpal Singh will be filing his nomination from the jail, but also the second name is Sandeep Singh Sunny, who killed the Shiv Sena leader, is behind the bars. He was captured in the broad daylight in multiple videos that he was seen firing at Sudhir Suri, the Shiv Sena leader, and now he will be in the political fray. This time the political fray of the Punjab is heading towards what it was in 90s when many of their leaders contested from the jails, even they won. However, this time the scenario is altogether different because the Pakistan threat to the Punjab has made it amply clear that there won't be any Panthak seats, but on the national security, the BJP is in fray. On the Panthak issues, the Shiromani Akali Dal and the Congress is against the rule of Aam Aadmi Party, while AAP claims that they have done a lot for the people of Punjab. For Republic Digital, this is Gursimran with Sarjeevan Kumar.